Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to import RenderDoc files into Blender. To do that, you want to go to this link here. I'll put it in the description. And then you want to go all the way down to the bottom where it says installation and then click on release. And then go all the way down to the bottom again and click this one right here. Now I've already got that downloaded. What you want to do then is go to Blender, Edit, Preferences, and then go to Add-ons. And then install and find it on your desktop or wherever you put it. I put mine there. And then you just want to install it. It's already installed. Click the little box and then close it. Then you can just go to File and then Import, and there you go. There it is. So you just hit that and then find the file what you want to import, the RenderDoc file. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you find this useful. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. And see you soon again in the future. Bye.